Well, there goes that hillside. That's okay, I didn't want it anyway.
We'll actually be able to drive on out of here this year, assuming I can get the truck started again, which is a fairly big assumption considering, but here we are. Packed down base course. May end up having to amend with tires later on, but you know, if you get free work, you get free work. Take the labor where you can. It's always nice to get a little help. So it looks like we're in good shape. Breath from moving some rocks and jumping across this little ravine we have. It's beautiful. We're getting some good snowfall. The land is peaceful today. I got some help from the town. I can't complain. Well, that really sucked.
This trek, so much easier.
Here we go. The driver feels like he can handle getting up into the driveway. He's doing real good. Corner's a little sketchy. Looks like he's got it. Oh wow. I can't believe he made it up there. That's amazing. Getting all the way up. Higher, higher, higher. A little bit more. Oh, that's amazing. It's gonna be so much less work. Got a load of gravel delivered, 18 tons. This would be a lot easier with a skid steer, but we live in a pretty seasonal part of the world, so hopefully this won't be too hard on us. Well, that's one course. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 more to go. So, about to get busy up in here.
Want to help? Are you trying to deceive them or are you trying to persuade them? At this point,
Yeah, rural life is interesting sometimes. Like when you go to Ace to pick up some supplies and well, there's a sheep. Oh, well, I guess the sheep's going shopping too. Ooh, that's cold. You know all those great Discovery Channel shows about, you know, mystery diagnosis and diseases you never heard of? There's all the clickbaity things online. These crazy diseases we didn't even know were a thing. I have one of those. It's called cold hives. It means when my skin gets under a certain temperature, I break out in hives. Why Vermont, you say? Because oddly enough, Arizona was really bad for it because everything was AC. So everywhere you went, it was cold. Inside the buildings, no matter where you went. So being able to control my temperature, my house, my car, makes it so it's not so bad. But grabbing onto cold metal without gloves can make my fingers swell up. Marco! Hello! Thank you. Couldn't see him. They do really good about staying fairly close, but C is wearing camouflage today. Which feels like a bad choice. Trying to find your children in the woods. So Ben and I met in tech school, culinary arts specifically. Went to college together. We've been married since 2006. Now they're yelling Marco Polo to themselves. We have 3 living kids. C is going to be 6 soon. A is going to be 4 very soon. And little M is, she turned 8 months just a couple days ago. She's our COVID baby, born right at the beginning of the pandemic. That was interesting. So as you can see here, it's been raining pretty hard all day. It's starting to switch to snow now, but there's water pooled up there, and it is all flowing through the gravel, coming down the side. And that is about as much as it is pooled at the base of the driveway.
Follow the river and show where the culvert is.
But here is where we have our perf pipe wrapped in coffee bags to keep all the debris out of it. And as you can see here, it's flowing pretty good. And this was here when we bought the property. This was created by the city when they put in the road. This is where we were going to have our driveway, but those big rocks are not moving. So this comes all the way down. This is a little past the property line, but it comes all the way down to here.
Public Works culvert put in place,
yeah,
which brings the water under the road,
all
out to
the
the
way
other
under.
side, and there's a brook down through the woods where all this water is brought.
And that's where it runs out. And it goes down and it meets the brook about half
300 feet, maybe quarter mile.